This is different.
It's time to get this Mustang GT running right on all cylinders. In our last video, our tech was able to verify a faulty ignition coil by swapping the coil on the Misfire cylinder to another cylinder and confirm the misfire traveled. Our team sourced a replacement coil from our friends over at NAPA, along with a fresh set of NGK spark plugs. While they weren't too bad, they were showing signs that it was time to get them replaced, and you could tell the gap was slightly different throughout each plug. Swapping ignition coils is a fairly straightforward process, and once all the coils were removed, it was time to start pulling the old plugs. When installing new plugs, you never want to over-torque them in. We've actually had to retrieve half of a plug when a customer over-torqued them and it snapped in half. Not a fun process. We installed the new ignition coil on the driver's side bank, and after all new plugs were dropped in, we moved over to the passenger side, where we had to just remove the air intake to gain access to the remaining plugs.
This corner is super gone.
Once all coils and old plugs were removed, the new NGK plugs went in, and it was time for one last road test. Along with driving incredibly smooth now, there was also no checked engine light present. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more maintenance and repair videos from our team here at Integrity Auto Repair.